said that.
I did just say that.
Like just now.
There we go. You're all good.
Ow!
They're tied.
Really, Ryan?
Why? My ankle.
Horrible tying.
Ow! Yep. Very good.
I think my foot is broken.
I will never let the gingivitis go. If he falls off the truck, he's screwed, but I would never let him go. I will seriously hold his hand to the end of time. Like, seriously, I would carry his hand with me everywhere I go. It doesn't matter how much it decay.
You'll turn his hand into a necklace.
It's video taping.
Okay.
I know, that was the point.
I know.
Chris. Yeah, you can keep that rope so you can strap up for later.
Remind me to lock my door tonight.
You're like, I'm not gonna do
Try to get in a pose, but I don't have enough room.
I want to take a picture of this. I'm not kidding. I want to take a picture.
Hey, young woman.
These are going on YouTube.
You're singing it down.
W-X-Y-N-Y. Now I know my way. Next time we'll...
Wait, guys, smile. Thank you. Jenny, Fox pose.
Nice.
Mom, I have electronics. Electronics.
Boys, where you at?